really struggling with deadlines, so this is a vlog of a good couple of weeks. It is not 1 week, but I hope you enjoy. I don't know what was going on with that accent. I had to rewatch that back and I was like, yeah. So yeah, this is a couple of weeks of footage just all compressed into one vlog because I didn't vlog 1 week continuously. Final year, like final semester. Oh my god, there's so much to do. So much to do, girls. But enjoy the vlog. Mwah. Hello everybody and welcome to James.
Just ruin your train of thought.
I am welcoming you back to the second week of second semester, third year, third and final year at the University of Salford. Currently on, well, not speaking obviously, at Shock Radio. It is a Tuesday. Yesterday was such a write-off day for me, just did not do anything at all, but we're back. James is here. James is in the studio.
Hello.
Facebook has logged me. Facebook's logged me out on my laptop, which is what I was trying to do there. But we are currently listening to a bit of Bo Burnham. We've got Izzy's playlist on air today. We've literally got like 9 minutes left, and then we're getting the bus and we're leaving. Didn't do anything yesterday, and I've been in class today, and then I had a production meeting. Honestly, the only thing I filmed today so far is when we had a fire alarm. Just casually getting evacuated.
Underground back into these.
Where are we? Oh, okay. At uni, didn't we? We were in class.
Yes, we did.
And the fire alarm didn't even turn on. One of the guys who works in the building just burst into our room and goes, and says our lecturer's name, and then goes, "There's a fire, everyone needs to evacuate." And so we were like, oh, okay.
Did you hear what it said? It was supposedly a, what do you call it, like a run-through, where what would happen if there was a fire but the alarm didn't go off, and that's what it was.
Oh.
So it was a practice for that eventuality that's never going to fucking happen.
Yeah, because they test the fire alarms every week.
Yeah. But, so we had to go through this staircase. Story time!
Yeah.
We went down this staircase that never even knew was there, and then
which smells so bad.
We went through like the back rooms underneath the building. Like, so the building is potentially on fire. We are on the side of the building where the exit is. We go down the stairs and then we walk in this tunnel underneath the entire building, which is on fire, and then leave out the back. We had got out quicker if we just went down the main staircase and out the front door.
Yeah, we would have done. But also that might have been a really congested staircase.
Yeah, but
we could have died if that had been for real. Jump? I'm not jumping.
And unfortunately, because when we came back in, everyone's come back in at the same time. We couldn't use the lift.
We did.
You used the lift?
He went, "Oh, the lift's open as well, guys." We used the lift.
It was like congested, so we were like, and then, because, I mean, it's their one point in time where they can use their power, so he's like stopping us at the staircase and going, "No more please, wait a minute." And it's like, staircase, like,
he didn't let us in the building. Yeah, he made us wait whilst.
Yeah, we had to wait outside the building, but also like at the staircase. He was like, "Can you wait a minute?"
Wait a minute, please.
My friends have just left.
We're in the University of Salford. Week 3. Ooh, what's going on there? Week 3. Guys, I have literally been emailing people all day. I've been emailing, I've been typing on my laptop, right? We are quite literally in the uni library. We've got Alice here. Alice, how are you feeling?
I'm good. It's been a productive day.
It's been a fantastic day, hasn't it? We've confirmed our location.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
Alice didn't do
Chatting with the most productive people, the most interesting people.
Exactly. We've got Libby. Libby, how are you feeling?
Not been going well today.
No comment?
No comment.
Moving on. I've got my hot water bottle because I'm having some cramps. It's been keeping me company here. I've had my soup today. I've had half a cup of tea. And this is the setup. This has been the setup the whole day. Ollie is here. We've had James visiting.
I don't like it. Said it's ran out of paper and I got no credit.
Put more paper.
Says I got no credit.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, we know, we can see.
Right, let me just email Adam.
Oh my god, we were in...
Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Millie Bennett. I'm Millie Bennett.
Jaws, not tours.
Just.
We were in...
Hello guys, I'm Millie Bennett and this is my podcast. I'm here with the cameraman. We're currently on...
Immediately.
A minute ago I touched her boob by accident. I do confess, guilty, but it was a mistake. Oh son, you got released from prison in these tenders.
Hello. Girls.
It's literally...
We're fighting. We're fighting through the depths of Salford right now.
It's like...
It's actually disgusting weather, and the 50 bus is not coming.
Stop lying. You are cold.
No. I'm sweating.
I think you're lying. I am not having a good
I
time.
got the knees out. And the shorts.
What are those? Girls, I'm gonna have to put the camera away. It's getting a little bit wet. It's literally raining, and my hair is ruined for tonight. I'm not happy. I'm gonna have a shower. Oh, hello there. Hello there.
My hair looks sexy.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Guys, the most exciting thing about Salford right now is this sinkhole.
Oh my
right
god,
by...
I want to get my drone and fly into it.
But I want to see, okay, like I swear it looks hollow underneath there. You can hear water.
Draining out there.
So this is what I'm saying, if they fill it in, the water's just going to wash it away. So do you know what I mean? Like, this is the main road for Tesco runs at the moment. I'm having to do the long way around in the car. It's costing me a lot of money.
This is your road there.
No, I hate driving down that road. I have to get stuck in the crossroads. The crossroads suck. Hi. In the attempts to keep these vlogs honest, and also for me to be like, oh yeah, that's actually what I was doing. Hi, it's a Tuesday and I've basically not vlogged this week. I had therapy for the first time today in like 6 weeks, and it has just completely emotionally drained me. But I am absolutely exhausted. I just have been out of the house all day doing various different things. I've literally just been all over Salford, constantly moving, and then I've just been at Rainbows, which obviously is, I love them to bits, but working with kids can be quite draining. And so I'm just like, I've got a shock social, which I am already running late to because everybody else has been out and about at prees, so now I'm on my way, and I'm feeling the weight of emotions, and I feel like I'm kind of going to cry, which is totally fine. I have to remind myself that it is fine. Just bra like casually at the back of this vlog. But, portable charger, that's what I need. But I also want to enjoy myself, and I'm finding it a little bit difficult trying to find that balance, guys. I'll be so real with you. What's this portable charger at? Not high enough. I think I need a night in, but I also want to see my friends, and I want hugs from my friends. Just finding it a little bit difficult today. I'll be real with you. We're gonna enjoy ourselves though. Oh, my car keys. Probably shouldn't take those out to revs. So I'm gonna head over to the boys.
Shock radio, social, it's crazy. Bleep that. The craziest place I've ever been. Revolution. We're waiting for our name.
We've got 3 Shocketeers.
Stop.
Don't be stressed. Anyone else wanting to log in who hasn't logged in yet? Give me a cheer.
Eddie, look. Whoa, hello.
This is an interactive quiz, which means
The free world.
questions this evening. The most common of those is
You need to listen up lightly.
It's James from the bar.
Why is it still on me?
Come on, Jess.
Did you know that
Say something. Say something to the vlog.
the USA uses the same amount of power on their air conditioning a year that Africa as a continent uses? Its entire annual. The US uses the same amount of power on its air conditioning that the entire continent of Africa uses an entire year. Makes you think that, doesn't it? Who's really controlling your air conditioning?
I'm just having an anxiety-inducing moment, so looking at the camera. Matt, how do you feel being surrounded by powerful blonde women?
Power to the women.
Oh yeah, only to the blonde. Oh no, sorry, Christy.
English comedian was the voice.
Cut that.
appearance. What? Millie Bennett is an awful quiz person.
He's pressing it and losing us points.
Guys,
15 is a
hashtag boycott Millie Bennett. Boycott Millie Bennett. Hit that like and subscribe button right now.
Cancel Millie Bennett.
Yeah. If this doesn't make it in, we know that you're fake. Exactly. You're fake. This is fake. If this doesn't make it in, you're fake. You're fake.
Yeah, go on.
We're recording.
Yeah.
It was an open bin. Small hole.
Third time lucky.
That's what she said.
You can make that joke. Right. Oh no.
This game was bad.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
Why is so quiet?
I really want to have a go now. It's the walk of shame.
You say you want to go?
Yeah. Right.
Go on, Alice.
Pressure's on.
Jesus.
You can get that one.
Holding.
Recording.
Right,
Can't even see where that went.
But did you see your own throw?
That was worse, Millie.
Are we recording? I think we are.
I don't think you are.
I think I am. How do you zoom in? It's not that. Oh yeah, I did it. Look at me go. Millie Bennett in her wild habitat.
Wild or wag?
Bit of both. And we've
I
got.
wish I had the budget.
We're joined here with James.
Hello.
James is on the verge of.
I need to go to Tesco before I go to Ollie's tonight.
We go to what tonight?
Before I go to Ollie's.
Woo!
Girls' night.
And we've got little Emma Kroger. How are you feeling, Emma?
Little Emma Kroger. Is that what you just
Little
said?
Emma Kroger.
How are you doing, Cal?
Stressed.
Aren't we all? How much have you done today?
I finished my proposal.
Hi guys. I want Millie to play this at my funeral.
Wait, what? Funeral?
My vlog.
The vlog?
Mhm.
I'll make a slideshow with you.
Computer.
Fantastic.
Bloody hell.
All my production folder.
All of that. Let me zoom. Bear with. Oh, that's the wrong one.
I've got a
Oh,
notebook, I've got my CV printed out for tomorrow, even though I don't want to come tomorrow.
right. Well, let me just try and zoom in.
Caitlin, what are you doing? You're drinking a Lucozade Blue.
Yeah, it's
That's
actually
not good
Blue
for you,
Rush. Blue Rush.
Blue, not good for you, got. And have you done any work today?
I had a sandwich. Yeah.
Well, go and eat your sandwich and get on with some work then.
Say
I
hi.
feel like I'm babysitting you and I'm not getting paid.
Stop! Stop! I feel like I'm being watched on the security cameras. All angles, all angles.
That's what the security man said to me the other day.
At the pub quiz for real.
It's an Eagle Park one, it's really cool.
Okay, guys, we're at Dockyard. We are at the
Right, let me show you some
Gospel Train pub quiz.
The girls in the room, so wave your hands if you're not with a man. Can I kick it? I don't wanna rock, DJ. 'Cause you're making me feel so nice. You're gonna stop, DJ. Get your keep me up all night. Solid for me. Can we all give James a round of applause?
Oh, Chrissy, that's not very PG friendly.
On this side.
I do have shorts on.
Okay, safety
My
shorts.
boxes will come out. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Guys, I just had a coffee, I can hear it.
Like, what is going on? We've just had our snapshot commission and what? We're doing
I
surf
don't even
competitions?
commission yet.
Oh, true. We have
Why am I shaking?
commissions.
Commission.
Commissions. Commissions.
You're not Millie Bennett.
I am Millie Bennett for the day. Where's Millie Bennett? Do.
We have
A wild Millie Bennett in the out.
listening to our voice notes.
was like, who are these streets?
She's seen us. We have a wild Millie Bennett.
Okay, that's hot.
What is she making? What is that?
That is carrot.
Coriander.
No.
Okay.
Carrot, sweet potato, parsnip, curried soup with some curry powder, some ginger, some honey.
What else are you making?
Nothing.
How exciting. If you could smell it, it actually smells delicious.
It's really spicy.
Alice Parker,
Got pasta.
what are we making?
Pasta.
But pasta.
I made it last
This
night.
cucumber?
Not in pasta? Yeah, courgette, right?
Courgette.
Caitlin.
So sorry.
Come on.
You see that cucumber bit? There we go.
Extra cheesy.
Oh.
Delish.
It's like Betty.
Okay, coffee day with Holly isn't happening. She's sick.
So you
Get
come to
better
a Wellbeing
soon.
Wednesday.
Wellbeing Wednesday, yeah. And then that means I will get a coffee from Greg's and a sweet treat.
Yeah.
But first lunch.
I'm gonna take you on a vlog tour. Where are we? What's the game plan?
This is like the office.
It is the office.
The office.
Let's go see Emma Kroger. Emma Kroger is making sure my work.
It's all good.
Is it?
It is.
My work's good.
Commission.
Commission. Emma, show us your commission stamp. Go. You are commissioned. How do you feel about it, Emma? Slow.